You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 6,997, or 83.648. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals -17 and y1 equals -29. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals 57 and y2 equals -68. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals -17. x2 equals 57. y1 equals -29. y2 equals -68. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 6,997, or 83.648.